Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find Chipotle discount promo codes. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to a web browser. This works for both iOS and Android users. And simply type in Chipotle promo codes 2024, or if it's 25, put that in, depending when you're watching this video. And then scroll down, and I suggest going to couponfollow.com, and you can enjoy 10% off Chipotle promo codes. So click into that, and then the top result here, up to 10% off online orders. So click on see details, and then all you need to do is copy this code holiday and then add that to the checkout section of your Chipotle app to enjoy 10% off online orders. And if you go back, there are other discounts here. Get one free when you buy one holiday gift on sale with promo code. Free delivery using coupon code. Save $4 site wide. So just simply click on all of these, and then they'll give you a code to put in when you check out using Chipotle. Alright, that's it guys for this video. How to find Chipotle promo discount codes. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.